Hi everybody, welcome back to science class. This episode is all about how to slide. So here we are, we're in Google Classroom. You can see we're in the classwork section. That's where it all happens. The stream, kind of useless. All you'll see are links to things that are actually posted in classwork. This here is where I want you to think of when you think of Google Classroom. Right up here, this is your link for class, and then this is all of the material for the week. There will be all kinds of resources, slides from class, assignments that you have to do, videos like this one that have instructions and useful information. So you're going to click right here on this assignment, and when you do, slide over to this page. In here, you got the name of the assignment, what it's worth. If I attached a rubric to it, you can see what the rubric tells you. And there's the actual assignment itself. Sometimes I'll even add a comment, or I might include an instructional video as part of the assignment. Watch the video, then do the assignment. That's a good way to know what's going on. After you click on the assignment, you'll get to the next section. This is what you'll see when you open up Google Slides. Across the top, there's a menu bar. There's some useful tools right over here. Over on the side, these are all the different slides in the deck. The first couple of slides in this case are all instructions. Read them, follow them, they'll be useful. There's also examples. Down here are the slides that you actually have to do the work on. This is the part that counts. This is the part that you have to fill in. There's 2 points to this video. 1, I want to get to know you and learn more about you. 2, I want you to learn how to use this tool because we're going to be using Google Slides a lot. In this case, I dragged a photo from my photo booth app into Google Slides. I used my mouse and I dragged and dropped. I also have the option to use the insert photo button. And then I can take it straight from my photo reel if I'm on a tablet, or straight from Google Drive, or wherever I want. I can insert. We'll be doing this a ton, and maybe you already know how to do this. Show off. If you're not sure how to do it, this is your chance to practice and to figure out what questions to ask when we see each other next. Did you know you can crop your photos in Google Slides? First, double-click on the photo. That brings up this black bar. Then, drag the black bar to resize your photo. It doesn't just change the size of it, it actually cuts away part of the background so that you can focus on what's important. Finally, you can type in Google Slides. Just double-click on the box and type away. It's easiest with a keyboard. Tablets have keyboards as well, and this would be very hard to do on a phone. Type away. Tell me, what is your favorite time to think? Where are you when you like to do your best thinking? What's your favorite living thing? Mine's a wolf. What do you wonder about? What do you wonder about science in particular? There are lots of different tools across here. I encourage you to play with them and figure out what they do. Can you fill in the text box? Try using the paint bucket. You want to change the color? Try this button here. Go bold, go highlighting, add more pictures, play around and see what you can figure out. We're going to use this app a lot, so I want you to be comfortable with it. Have fun. Bye-bye.